Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to join the Acquire English group on Facebook, where you can ask all of your questions and get the latest videos. So today we have a conversation between our two co-workers, Adam and Tuan. And we're going to work on the phrase, it depends on. So in the conversation, please listen for this phrase.
Do you want to grab a drink after work?
Sorry, I can't today. I'm going to the gym.
How often do you go to the gym?
It depends on the week. I usually go 3 or 4 days a week. How about going for a drink tomorrow?
Sounds good.
Did you catch it? Let's listen to that sentence one more time.
How often do you go to the gym?
It depends on the week. Sometimes a question doesn't have a simple answer. Sometimes the answer is different for different situations. To answer these questions, we use it depends on. So, in the conversation, Tuan asked, "How often do you go to the gym?" Well, the answer to the question is different each week. On a busy week, maybe I go to the gym 3 times. And on a not so busy week, maybe I go to the gym 4 times. So my answer was, it depends on the week. Each week is different depending on the situation. So, if the question is, what are you going to wear tomorrow? We could say, it depends on the weather. This means, if it's cold, I'll wear a coat. If it's hot, I'll wear a t-shirt. And if it's rainy, I'll wear a raincoat. It depends on the weather. It depends on is often followed by a noun. In this case, weather. We can also use a question word after it depends on. So it depends on who, it depends on what, it depends on why, it depends on how, it depends on when, it depends on where. All of those are possible. So when we say, what are you going to wear tomorrow? We could answer, it depends on where I'm going. If I'm going to the beach, of course, I'll wear a swimsuit. If I'm going to the office, I'll wear a regular suit. So after it depends on, we can use a noun, we can use a question word, and we can also use if. For example, what time do you wake up? It depends on if it's a weekday or a weekend. Or maybe even, it depends on if I have school. Let's look at some more examples. Do you like Italian food? It depends on the restaurant. Do you want to go to a concert on Friday? It depends on the band. It depends on how much the tickets cost. Do you think he'll pass the test? It depends on if he studies. Can I borrow some money? It depends on how much you need. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we look forward to hearing from you in the YouTube comments and on our Facebook page. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks again. See you next time.